So we talk about rituals and routine a lot here at MASC and shopmasc.com, but there's obviously a ritual that is not very talked about very much, and that is your number 2, your pooping. We all remember that scene from Ace Ventura: Pet Detective.
Do not go in there. Woo!
And none of us wants to be that guy or that person. So that's why there is something called pre-poop drops. This is from a brand called Loo. Loo is a brand from Vancouver that has devised these pre-poop drops that allow you to do your business in confidence without worrying about the smell afterward. This is a pre-poop drop, so that means that you put 4 to 6 drops of this into the toilet before you go, and it completely eliminates the odor. There's 3 different scent options: bergamot and mint, eucalyptus, citrus, and then lavender, cedarwood, and rosemary. It's actually quite potent. Yeah, 4 to 6 drops. Each of these little containers actually has 100 uses, so you're gonna get a lot out of each one. These are great because it eliminates that odor, especially when you live with other people. Maybe they have to go and then they are gonna feel embarrassed. Also, if you're traveling as well and you are traveling with someone or you're sharing a hotel room and you may need to bring this along with you. They're super, discreet. You can take it with you if you needed to. Keep it in your own bathroom. It's a great thing to have as a host. So check these out at MASC in Vancouver, or check them out on our website, shopmasc.com. Loo Pre-Poop Drops.